making Piggy Lego set carnival. Amy's not doing this the other day. It's just me talking.
Oh, really? Guys, this is what we're making. Travis got it for his birthday present. Let me pull this blind.
Oh yeah, and the smoking really intense now.
Yes. It really is. So we're going to make this Piggy figure. We're going to add to the fort game. Piggy Lego. Looks like that's the base.
Yeah. That's the base.
I just try to back it up some so you can see.
It looks
it's really bright. There we go.
Carnival.
Oh, the piggies. All you have to do is put their heads on. You want to show them?
Yeah.
Ooh, this looks like a piggy book. It's literally the chapter book.
What do you mean? It's not.
It looks like a chapter book.
Yeah, it says chapter. Oh, that's not chapter 6. It's chapter 8. Book 1.
Wow, there's a lot of pieces.
Is this in slow-mo?
Okay, so first we're going to start out easy and just do the people.
Pony already put together. Or should I say Foxy?
So it came with Pony, Zizzy, and Clowny.
No, it's Soxy.
It's Clowny.
No, it's Soxy.
It's Pony. Please comment below who you think it is.
Pony does not have a red shirt. I've never seen Pony in a red shirt before.
It's his exclusive shirt.
How do you know that?
Because. So Travis is going to build their outfits.
It's Soxy.
This is first up is Clowny. I don't think this is official Lego. This is like, I don't know, they look real, but it doesn't say Lego on it, so I feel like it's not actually Lego.
I never seen Zizzy with a pink dress.
Oh, is it Zizzy's exclusive outfit?
Oh no, it's called...
That would make sense.
It's
Why
called,
Pony's in a new shirt.
It's called Mizzy.
It's called Mizzy.
Yeah, it's called Mizzy now.
Did you get it on Clowny? Oh yeah, you got it on there.
Pretty easy.
And then lastly, we have Pony.
Foxy.
Out of these three characters, who's your favorite one?
Clowny looks no different.
Yeah,
I mean, because Zizzy and Pony are friends.
This is gonna be funny to play with.
This is not funny. It really looks like Foxy's color.
So it starts off with this one black piece. Just open up this bag here. And we have some scissors. We're gonna cut it open. It's easier than trying to rip it. Oh, it says it comes with one, but it actually comes with two pieces. So put that here. Why is Clowny zoomed up in the screen? Like right on the thing. We're gonna put that there. Oh, it looks like you add this to this. That's what it looks like, I'm not sure. Then you said you need the white. Why is Pony in the screen? It looks like you need
chop
this
Clowny's
piece
head off.
next.
They're going to chop Clowny's head off. They can like chop Clowny's head off. Oh, you can move them around. No, this is not actually Lego. Look at their seat. They're not actually Lego. Look at their seat.
Yeah, it's not actually Lego, guys. This is a little bit confusing. It looks like this is like a big white piece. But we do not have a big white piece. We're gonna just go with this bag, I guess. Hopefully this doesn't turn out to be too hard for us. Sometimes that happens. and then I get
Yeah.
frustrated
Oh,
because
yeah,
Legos
remember
becomes
the
really
Legos?
hard to build.
Remember that Minecraft Lego
So the
set?
goal is to just have fun with this Lego set, and hopefully it will turn out good.
He's like better.
Do you think it's this piece, Trev?
What do you mean?
So guys, it shows us this piece, but we only have this white piece.
You should watch this video on. You can
No,
watch
this
his
is
video.
way too small for this.
You have to watch his videos. This. You have to watch his videos. This. That's right.
Yeah, we might actually have to watch a video on how to do it because
No, just watch his video on YouTube. Like
of how to build the Piggy carnival set.
no,
Oh,
There was
Travis
just,
just
like, one-
farted.
there's just like one where there was a piggy, Zizzy, and then she infected another person, and it was pregnant, and they were literally sawing each other because they're
Really?
friends. They were
You
really
guys look-
sawing each other.
Zizzy and Pony look like they're like best friends in here. Put Clowny in there.
Why?
If this is all we do for today, this is really confusing.
Okay, so right there.
I think we might have to watch a YouTube video about how to make the carnival. Because we do not have...
Watch out, you guys. Clowny's coming your way.
Uh-oh.
Watch out, you guys. Clowny's coming your way. He's pooping in your faces. Mr. Poop. Mr. Scream. That's how we call
Maybe
him
they just
now.
flip this piece over.
Clowny's rolling in your
See, I don't know if
days.
we need a big white piece or if it's actually a black piece. Like the black Lego goes on it.
Clowny's coming, rolling in your days, little bunny.
Well, yeah, we're going to watch a video about this and we'll show you guys what we do after. Travis is playing with the figures now. But we are going to look into how to build this and show you guys when it's hopefully done. And there's
Yep.
Mini Toon's hat on the back.
Mm,
If not, at least we have the cool figures to play with.
mm.
Thanks for watching
The
this
real
Piggy,
Saxy and
building the
Zizzy.
Piggy Carnival Lego fail. Hopefully we'll figure it out soon.
The real Soxy. The
Bye,
real
guys.
Zizzy, and the real Clowny.